Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about the split type unit and window type unit air conditioning, which is good to use split type or window type. Now let us discuss what is the advantage of split type unit. Split type unit, guys, we can install this one anywhere, almost anywhere in our house or room without breaking the wall. What we need is only a small hole for drain line and piping layouting. Same time, the outdoor unit, we can install this one outside our house. We can install this one vertically or horizontally. Uh, Not far as 15 to 30 meters, because too long and too short, it will cause some problem. We will encounter some problem. One more advantage for the split type unit, it is quiet noise. You cannot even hear the compressor running time. Okay guys, let's go to the window type unit. What is the advantage of the window type unit? For me guys, the window type unit is easy to install and then easy to service. Because this one is compact. Everything is there. The evaporator and the condenser, as well as the compressor, and also the controls. Everything inside the window unit. And beside that, the price of the window units is lower compared to the split type unit. And this is good for a normal size room. Now, guys, if you are planning to buy aircon, there is a lot of brand. We can choose inverter type of AC or normal type of AC. Inverter, guys, is a little higher price compared to the normal AC or normal type of AC. But compared to the normal AC, guys, inverter is less consumption in terms of power energy. For me, guys, if you can only afford to buy the the inverter, better to choose this inverter, especially this time that our electricity is too much expensive. And but at the end of the day, guys, you are the one decide. Only also, guys, you can use solar system for this air conditioning. If you have a solar panel that enough to run the air condition, it is good. So you can minimize the bill, or I mean the payment. Now, guys, there is the size of the unit according to the size of the room. 6 to 11 square meter, 0.5 HP. 11 to 17 square meters, 0.75 horsepower. 18 to 22 square meter, you need 1 horsepower. Then more bigger, like 23 to 27, 1.5 horsepower. 28 to 40, 2 horsepower. Then more big the room is, more bigger the air conditioning you need. You can ask also guys the seller or the dealer about the size of unit that you are going to use according to the size of your room. Because if this is not fit, guy, you are buy air conditioning not fit to your room, it will affect to your or increase to your monthly bill. Okay, guys. Thank you, guys. Next time, my topic, I'm going to technical or diagnostic. And little by little, guy, I'm going to the troubleshooting. Thanks for watching. And if you wish, please subscribe my channel. Thank you, guys.